What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see a program that will find out the compound interest of anything. Like here I'm going to use this one to find out the subscriber I can gain after certain days. You can do it for the money as well. So let's look at the generic equation for that. The equation is amount, that's capital A, that's equivalent to P, this principal amount, times 1 plus R. 1 plus R is the interest rate, and then multiply this one by, not multiply, actually power by n. N can be day or month, or it can be year, based on what we are trying to do. Okay, this is the equation we are going to use here. So in order to do that, we need amount. We need to create three variables, one for the amount and one for the principal amount and the other one for the rate. And the day can be entered manually, or we can create another variable. The day is going to be, I'm going to create day in a loop, because we are going to see, I'm going to create this program to find out the subscribers I'm going to gain after certain days. So if I put it in a for loop, we can calculate first day, second day, like if let's say 20 days, I can see from first day to 20 days continuously. So I'm going to put it in a for loop. Now let's go ahead and continue this one. First, let's go ahead and introduce some variable. I am going to introduce everything in double type of variable, because that's going to give us the accurate amount. Okay, so double amount and then double principal amount, and I initialize principal amount with, let's say, 10,000 subscribers. I have 10,000 subscribers. Then I rate the, let's say the rate of increase of subscribers is 1% per day. If I put it in decimal point, it's going to be 0.01. Double rate, that is equivalent to 0.01. Now I'm going to put the day in for loop, because it's going to do the increment by 1, and we can find out the increment of subscribers each day. So let's go ahead and put it in a for loop. In the for loop, I'm going to put int day is equal to 1, and then I set the condition day is less than or equal to 20. We are going to see for 20 days, and then I do the increment of day by 1, day plus plus. Now let's go ahead and put the equation for the amount. Amount is equal to principal times math dot power. In the power, I put 1 plus rate, 1 plus rate. Since I put it in a small letter over there, I have to do the same thing. Rate 1 plus rate, and the power is going to be day, and finally we are going to print out the increment. To do that, I put system out print line statement, system dot out dot print line, and then we want to print out the day and the amount. Day plus and double quote, let's leave a space for this, and then amount plus amount. Okay, and that's it. Now let's go ahead and run this one. Now here you can see, in the first day I get 10,100 subscribers, in the second day 10,201, and third day like this, it goes up to 20 days. In the 20th day I get 12,201 subscribers. And that's how we do the compound interest program using Java programming. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description. And also, if you are trying to learn Java programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.